DFY Suite 3.0 is a backlink builder that uses its own database of high-authority websites, social accounts, and bookmarking sites to build powerful backlinks that boost your rankings. This new version 3.0 has made it so that websites and YouTube videos can rank in all languages, even if they don't have many views. This will allow people who speak different languages to be able to see these things, and it will make more people able to find them. 5x the sites, 5x the authority, 5x the ranking power than the previous version. Now you can get global rankings using the multilingual feature. Servers and IPs have been extended, which will help us get higher rankings at the global level searches. Improved AI content engine will make 100% unique content for each and every backlink submission. It has removed all barriers when it comes to quality content syndication. DFY Suite 3.0 is better, faster, and more irresistible. DFY Suite 3.0 review. What are the new features? 5x more power and authority. Version 3.0 is better than version 2.0 because you can post your content on many more sites with higher authority, so it is easier to rank for the same things, but in less time. New 3-step campaign submission system. The new version of DFY Suite 3.0 only asks you to do 3 simple steps. All you need to do is put your website or YouTube video URLs, enter the keywords you want to rank for, and choose how many links you want to build. That's it, get global level rankings. I never saw this feature in other backlink software, which is securing global level rankings with the multilingual feature. DFY Suite 3.0 is now submitted your links on foreign languages too, which means you will get global rankings. Extended IPs and servers globally. DFY Suite 3.0 has more servers and IPs around the world. This will make your websites rank higher on Google. That is because Google always looks at how many referring IPs you have to rank you high on their list. The more referring IPs you have, the better your ranking will be. Content generation system revamped. Good quality content or links to your website from other websites is important. In DFY Suite version 3.0, the content generation system has been completely revamped. One of the changes was that it now integrates Create content generation software with DFY Suite. This means that all the links are unique and original, speed up rankings with own private PBN. Building links from PBNs can help SEO. DFY Suite 3.0 has a lot of PBNs and they are all on different servers and IPs. This will make your websites and videos more powerful. Site details breakdown. DFY Suite 3.0 shows the information about their web network. You can see how many sites they have, how much power each website has, and what type of websites they are. .com, .net, .ru. This is all shown in a graph. See the image in the next part. DFY YouTube video embeds. DFY Suite 3.0 does automatic embeds of your YouTube videos. You just need to put a simple shortcode %video% in the content module to embed your YouTube videos automatically. You can find out how to use the software on the next few pages of my DFY Suite 3.0 review. The benefits of using DFY Suite 3.0. Developed by SEO experts who understand the product. Better features for better results. Triple the authority of your websites using DFY Suite 3.0 in just a few months. A unique content system with real AI integration. Rank higher in Google with custom SEO. Get more free traffic from organic search. Save time on tedious tasks. And grow your business exponentially by doing less. Frequently asked questions about DFY Suite 3.0. Can I use non-English keywords and content? Answer: yes, you can. All letters including non-Latin ones like Arabic, Chinese, Japanese and Korean characters in languages like German or French are accepted. How do I insert links into my content? Answer: inserting links is easy. When you're writing your article, all you have to do is type %link% at the place where you want the link to appear. The %link% will be replaced with an actual link made up of one of your URLs as target and one of your keywords as an anchor in this post. This has already been done for you if you are using automatically generate content. Do I have to spin my content? Answer: spinning your content is a good idea. It will make it look more original. You do not need to spin your content, but you can if you have access to one of the tools. When will my campaign finish? Answer: your campaign is being spilled out over a certain number of days. It depends on how many you selected when you created your campaign. You can see the progress bar on each campaign and know how far along it is in terms of finishing. You can also see an estimated finish date on the campaign's list page. Are there any niche restrictions for campaigns? Answer: the following niches are not allowed: casinos, gambling, pharmacy including marijuana and weed, sex, or anything else illegal. These restrictions are there to protect other network and other clients that don't want to be associated with this kind of content. If they find you passed the filters and submitted this kind of content, your posts will be removed and you will not get your credits back.